Alrighty, Derek here filling away with 582 Airboat engines. Give us a description of this combination. Got a set of our ass cast heads, Edelbrock manifold for fuel carburetor, custom grind hydraulic roller. Got our custom airboat pan on, built by Stefs. Front end on it. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,400, 722 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 741, peak horsepower 697, so everything's good. Do not pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things. See here, you can find this thing looks like a credit card, it's a USB card full of technical information. On the engine, view this tab. It will have engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.